Not so long ago, guys, I was thinking if my work, my filming and my editing, it's good enough. It's well done. Really, I don't know. I am not so confident and I cannot say I am doing very well. But I know something for sure, that a lot of you are watching my videos and that there is gonna be always a person, a bunch of brothers, I would say, that is gonna support you, or me, or somebody else. So that's why I decided, just after I passed 2000 subscribers, that I can offer something more, that I can strengthen the community even more, that I can give you something that you may appreciate. And that's why I introduced membership, guys. So there are just two levels of membership. The first level, this is a very basic one, but still a great one. It's I love gasoline. So maybe it's a bit funny, but we all love gasoline, guys. Really, all of us are gasoline lovers. So just check what it's all about. I love gasoline, the first level of membership. And then I also introduced the second, the upper level, and that it's I follow RRR, so Refuel Ride Race channel. I respect and I really am a happy man to have such a community, and I respect all of you. I don't expect anything from this, I mean memberships. I am just introducing it, and I hope that you will see it as a great option, but it's up to you to decide, you know, it's always up to you. And we can see each other in my next video. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you still like my content. For those of you who are really just watching, giving likes and commenting, I'm grateful, and take care, guys, and till the next one.